Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Delicious, aren't they? Little Debbie's oatmeal cream pies. What if we could make them at home and maybe even do a better job? Let's see how we make out. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's start with 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, 1 1/4 sticks of softened butter. Gonna mix that all together. Add 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of molasses. Mix that all together. Set that aside. Time for the dry ingredients. 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of flour, and the spices. Trying to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, a little bit at a time. Now for the cookie sheet. See how they magically appear? Nice, huh? We'll flatten them out. They're going to be a little sticky, so we're going to use some flour to help with the sticky. Set that tray aside. Let's go for the second tray. Flatten them all out again. Into the oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Looks like they're done, folks. Looks like they grew together, so we're going to cut them apart with a knife. Now for the cream filling. 3 cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 of a stick of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix this all together. Sometimes it's a little dry. It was this time. So we're going to add a little bit more heavy cream. Put the cookies down, upside down. Add some cream. And the top layer. 1 extra. Yes, that's mine. Onto the plate. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Better homemade. Always better homemade. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And when the going gets tough, go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. Have a great week.